Kerala Set Paper 1 GK and Teaching Aptitude Solved Questions February 2020 Part 1. Question number 1. True education must correspond to the surrounding circumstances or it is not a healthy growth. Whose words are these? Options: Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Radhakrishnan, Swami Vivekananda. Answer: Option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Number 2. Education does not change the world. Education changes people. People change the world. Who said this? Options: Plato, John Dewey, Paulo Freire, Aristotle. Answer: Option C, Paulo Freire. Number 3. The educational philosophy which supports the concept values are absolute and unchanging. Options: naturalism, idealism, realism, pragmatism. Answer: Option B, idealism. Number 4. The branch of philosophy which examines the fundamental nature of reality, including the relationship between mind and matter, between substances and attribute, and between potentiality and actuality. Options: epistemology, aesthetics, logic, metaphysics. Answer: Option D, metaphysics. Number 5. The philosophical system which postulates that everything in reality stems from Purusha and Prakriti. Options: Sankhya, Nyaya, Mimamsa, Vedanta. Answer: Option A, Sankhya. Number 6. A teaching approach which attempts to help students to question and challenge domination and the beliefs and practices that dominate. Options: inductive approach, heuristic method, critical pedagogy, deductive approach. Answer: Option C, critical pedagogy. Number 7. Cultural modification of an individual, group or people by adapting to or borrowing traits from another culture is known as. Options: cultural lag, cultural pluralism, assimilation, acculturation. Answer: Option D, acculturation. Number 8. A kind of social differentiation whereby members of society are grouped into social economic basis depending upon their job, wealth, social status, power or income is. Options: social stratification, social inequality, social mobility, social change. Answer: Option A, social stratification. Number 9. An act to provide more effective protection of the rights of the women guaranteed under the Constitution who are victim of assault of any kind occurring within the family. Options: A. Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. B. Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act 2013. C. Domestic Violence Act 2005. D. Indecent Representation of Women Act 1986. Answer: Option C, Domestic Violence Act 2005. Number 10. A teacher holding every learner with responsibilities to high standards of performance is. Options: teacher accountability, teacher competency, teacher capability, teacher ethics. Answer: Option A, teacher accountability. Number 11. Abilities for positive and adaptive behavior that enable humans to deal effectively with the demands and challenges of life are. Options: teaching skills, social skills, life skills, emotional skills. Answer: Option C, life skills. Number 12. Who among the following is known as the father of client-centered therapy? Options: Sigmund Freud, Carl Rogers, Abraham Maslow, Virginia Acline. Answer: Option B, Carl Rogers. Number 13. Behavior that is driven by internal rewards is known as. Options: primary motivation, intrinsic motivation, eccentric motivation, secondary motivation. Answer: Option B, intrinsic motivation. Number 14. The theory of structure of intellect was proposed by. Options: Gardner, Guilford, Spearman, Thurston. Answer: Option B, Guilford. Number 15. Advanced organizer is the concept put forth by. Options: Jerome Bruner, Jean Piaget, David Ausubel, Robert Gagne. Answer: Option C, David Ausubel. Number 16. The tendency of a child in the pre-operational stage of cognitive development in which inferences move from particular situation to particular aspects is. Options: inductive reasoning, deductive reasoning, critical reasoning, transductive reasoning. Answer: Option D, transductive reasoning. Number 17. A stable characteristic that causes a person to depict a response to any situations in one way or another is. Options: personality traits, personality types, personality factors, personality determinants. Answer: Option A, personality traits. Number 18. A task that arises at or about a certain period in life in which the unsuccessful achievement of which leads to inability to perform tasks associated with the next stage in life is. Options: emotional task, cognitive task, psychological task, developmental task. Answer: Option D, developmental task. Number 19. A review of NPE 1986 program of action was done by. Options: Yashpal Committee, Hansa Mehta Committee, Ramamurthy Commission, National Commission for Teachers. Answer: Option C, Ramamurthy Commission. Number 20. Which Education Commission recommends the establishment of diets? Options: Indian Education Commission, University Education Commission, Secondary Education Commission, National Policy on Education. Answer: Option D, National Policy on Education. Number 21. Which of the following assessment tools of personality is a projective tool? Options: A, California Test of Personality, B, GATB, C, TAT, D, Draw a Man Test. Answer: Option C, TAT. Number 22. Match the following. List 1 with list 2. List 1. Skinner, Pavlov, Thorndike, Brunner. List 2. Trial and error, concept attainment, operant conditioning, classical conditioning. 4 options are there. The correct answer is option B, that is Skinner, operant conditioning, Pavlov, classical conditioning, Thorndike, trial and error, Brunner, concept attainment. Number 23. Which among the following is the function of NCTE? Options: Option A, overall development of the basic infrastructure of higher education sector, both in terms of policy and planning. Option B, to achieve planned and coordinated development of the teacher education system throughout the country. Option C. Conduction and promotion of educational research. Option D. Centers of guidance for educational institutions and schools of a district. Answer. Option B. To achieve planned and coordinated development of teacher education. Number 24. A predisposition to respond positively or negatively towards an idea, object, person, or situation. Options: aptitude, intelligence, attitude, interest. Answer: option C, attitude. Number 25. Proficiency in teaching has to be judged in terms of options: A. Completion of syllabus in time. B. Use of innovative teaching aids. C. Learning outcomes of students. D. Classroom interaction. Answer: option C. Learning outcomes of students. Number 26. The effective strategy to impart value education is through options: A. Discussions based on spiritual texts. B. Experiential learning and reflective sessions on values. C. Conducting seminars on values. D. Discourses on values. Answer: option B. Experiential learning and reflective sessions on values. Number 27. Of the given set, which one is the highest level of cognitive ability? Options: analyzing, knowing, evaluating, understanding. Answer: option C, evaluating. Number 28. While taking a class, if a student make disturbance, a teacher should: options: A. Punish the student immediately. B. Ignore the student and continue teaching. C. Stop the class for a few minutes and remain silent. D. Give special attention to the student and motivate him. Answer: option D. Give special attention to the student and motivate him. Number 29. Expand the abbreviation LCD. Options: A. Light crystal display. B. Liquid crystal display. C. Learning computer discourse. D. Light compact display. Answer: option B. Liquid crystal display. Number 30. A JPG file stores options: audio data, video data, text data, image data. Answer: option D. Image data. Number 31. An interactive computer application for organization, analysis and storage of data in tabular form is options: PowerPoint, spreadsheets, worksheet, Excel. Answer: option B, spreadsheets. 32. The concept of mastery learning was proposed by options: Edgar Dale, Benjamin Bloom, Donald O. Hebb, David Kolb. Answer: option B, Benjamin Bloom. Number 33. Who among the following is considered as the father of intelligence testing? Options: Howard Gardner, David Wessler, Peter Salovey, Alfred Binet. Answer: option D, Alfred Binet. Number 34. An observational method used frequently in learning settings in which the observer summarizes a single developmental incident after the event has occurred in. Options: cumulative record, anecdotal record, portfolio, attendance record. Answer: option B, anecdotal record. Number 35. The system of evaluation that allows the evaluator to convert the outcomes of a student's test or assignments to a grade and adjust that final grade in relation to the grades from other students in the course is? Options: percentage grading, absolute grading, non-referenced grading, relative grading. Answer: option D, relative grading. 36. The system which provides facility to search and browse all hosted content wherein a person can easily access the desired material including audios, videos and textual materials. Options: e-content portals, web browser, URL, search engines. Answer: option A, e-content portals. 37. A web page address is usually known as? Options: directory, protocol, URL, domain. Answer: option C, URL. Number 38. The research study method involving in-depth and detailed examination of a subject of study as well as its related contextual conditions is? Options: historical research, case study research, survey research, experimental research. Answer: option B, case study research. Number 39. The article which provides equality of opportunity in educational institutions. Options: Article 28C, Article 30, Article 29, Article 28(1). Answer: option C, Article 29. Number 40. Match the following List 1 with List 2. List 1: MHRD, UGC, NCTE, NAAC. List 2: 1994, 1995, 1985, 1956. Four options are there. The correct answer is option A, that is MHRD 1985, UGC 1956, NCTE 1995, NAAC 1994.